that triggered an investigation, in fact, for the whole INEC. Unahin ko lang yung Area 2 where Bacara was, where part of Bacara kasama dun sa Area 2. No? Actually, hindi lang Bacara, pag sinabi nating the whole Area 2, nandun ang Lawag, nandun ang iba pang LGU. No? Kasama yan sa investigation, especially on dyan sa ating mga meter reading. So, actually, nakakabahala yung na-discover namin. So, we address that. But more importantly, what is worrying some, because actually, ang Area 2, stop ang operation yan ang meter reading ng MRCD. No? Everybody is on hold there, okay? Until we get to the bottom of this. Now, kailan ba nangyari yun? The other day, di ba? So, since the other day nangyari yun, since yesterday until now, in fact, ngayon lang, yung mga nag-audit, pinapakita nila sa akin yung initial audit nila for the whole Area 2. Hindi Merry Christmas yung balita. Again, I not to put, but I can assure you I will get to, we will assure, we will correct this before anything. We will check the integrity of not only our people but of our systems. But needless to say, I don't want to go to the figures because hindi Merry Christmas and figures. But apparently, marami. May mga naka-preventive suspension na kami. Mga 11 people.
Meter readers natin.
Not all, basta connected sa meter reader. Dahil nga, yun yung nakita natin. Again, I think I mentioned this in my exclusive interview with Bongo. The reason importante ito is because this is systems loss. Alam naman yun. Ang systems loss is a pass-on loss. Hindi si INEC, hindi si INEC ang sumasalo ng loss na yun. Pass on yan sa ating mga consumers. Again, just to for information, ang inyo pong ang rate po natin, lahat po tayo, makikita po nyo yung generation charge, nandun yun, merong mga fees, mga NGCP, transmission, meron po item doon ang systems loss. Okay? Lahat po yan pass on sa ating mga consumers, and that constitutes, when you add all of that, that constitutes your our rate for the month. No? Iba yun. Right now, ang rate natin is 9,992 if I'm not mistaken. So lahat yun, nakakarga doon ng systems loss. Kung ang systems loss po natin